Hello friends, first write a big S and then put an F right underneath it. Did you know you can draw a cute dolphin using these letters? Watch how easy this is. Wait until the end to see this fish come alive with AI magic. Let's connect the remaining lines together. Go ahead and like this video right now. Look at that, the complete dolphin is ready. Let's color our dolphin. I'm blending a beautiful deep blue with a light blue to finish the fish and give it that perfect ocean glow. Wow! Completed. Look at that shine. It looks totally alive. If you want to know more of these super easy drawing tricks, hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching.